ambient temperature is today is 18.3. So once you start it, it will show ambient temperature. Because this was long time not start. This is showing ambient temperature. Actual temperature is showing inside. Okay, this is showing. So once see here, once just we turn on the power only. Power on there. Here we just turn it on. After that, see it's blinking. It means it's counting. So it takes 3 minutes. After that, it will start automatically. Once it will start, initially this fan will not run. Okay, so how it will run? Once compressor start, then refrigerant pressure will going up. So once it will going up, and then running time, once it's reached to the fan run time, then it will start. So once it will start, then our condensate pressure is getting low. This here, okay. So once gas temperature is getting low, and then after that gas pressure is getting low. Once slowly down, then it will fan trip. I'll show you. This is the here. This is the switch. See, now it's run. After 3 minutes, see. See the gauge. See, gauge is going up. Fan is still not running. You can see going up. See, once it will start running time, it will start. You can see this is going 150. See, once fan start running, pressure start decreasing. Coming down, see now fan stop. Okay, one fan stop, pressure will go up again.
Inside pressure will create heat.
Yes, once now it's running empty just for testing. So once compressor is going, so at least gas pressure also, that one also effect on the condenser heat, inside heat. So gas pressure will go up. Even now winter is outside, so once summer outside temperature 50 degrees also, even start pressure is more. Even summer, sometimes some areas where is atmosphere room temperature is high, fan cannot stop. Fan in summer area 24/7 running. And this dryer refrigerator compressor never stop. This 24/7 run. Okay, you can see here now. See, temperature is coming down. So there is internal safety. So this temperature will go minus. It will automatically compressor stop. Once temperature will go up, it will automatically again start. So this is automatically maintained. You can see here, this hot air is coming. Okay. So this is how to stop this. So now temperature come, because without air we can't stop. Just for testing first time. Okay. So we are going to stop this. So we already see it's coming already. In the nameplate you can see it's showing 3 degrees. So it's already 3.3. It's going even down. It's empty. See, 2.9. Okay, it's going maximum more than their capacity. Okay, so we can stop this. Let's see. Let it run 2.4. It will go maximum. And see here. Come, I show you some details. 30 CFM, 300 CFM. 30 means 300. Okay. Here the capacity also mentioned 300 CFM. So this one is air pressure. Inlet pressure means here 7 to 16 bar. Okay, and inlet air temperature 60 degree. Air temperature, compressed air temperature. And ambient temperature maximum is 50 degree. Outside temperature, room temperature. This is the serial number. This is dew point plus 3 degree. It can go outside temperature. It can reduce. It will reduce. So here is refrigerant quantity 1.4 kg. So once gas leak refilling capacity is 1.4 kg gas weight, and type of gas is RS134A. Okay, this is normal using in the normal AC, and 220 volt 60 hertz. This one end connection 2-inch BSP, and year of manufacturing July 2025, and ampere is 6 amperes. This is the ratings all mentioned here. This is quality test result, everything is that quality test report. So now we can see it's going minus 0.4 without air, this temperature. So now we can stop it. Stop only, just stop this. it will stop. Gas pressure will going slowly down.